Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your mouse cursor changes with will not stay permanently on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Go to search menu and type control panel, CONTROL, control panel, open it. In here you need to select view by two large icons and go to mouse settings over here, mouse option, and you need to go to pointer option. No guys, pointers, you need to select pointers and you need to select whatever you want it. You want the extra large, black, or you can select whatever you using, like you love it, and change it in here. More option will be there guys. I'm going for extra large and you need to select save as. This will save as. You type here whatever you want it, and this will save it guys. Call your subscribe extra large, click OK, and it's actually save at this pointer, and click apply and OK. Now you should good to go guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.